So two type of progressions we have seen until now. One is progression through transit. Okay. And another is progression in natal chart on the basis of natal position of the planet. So later you will come to know that first round of Jupiter, second round of Jupiter, first round of Saturn. In the first round of Saturn, Saturn completes exactly 30 years. How? Just can anyone use their brain or
Sir, each sign
nonsense?
2.5 years, so 12 signs, so it is 30 years.
Correct. And each round of Jupiter, how many years it is?
12 years.
12 years. So we will draw that after the first round, Jupiter will give some kind of results. Like in the first round, Jupiter will be dealing with the physical matter of the person. That means the child. It will be dealing with the physical things. Next, in the next round, it will be dealing with the family things. That means it is dealing with the second house. It will be dealing with family things. In the third house, it will be dealing with some kind of initiatives, any kind of. I will be talking about all those things. That what are the rounds actually talk about. That means suppose what Saturn's first round is talking about, what Jupiter's
Sir,
first round is talking about. Yes.
sir, so the result is irrespective of the position of the like which house it is in. Like you said, the first is any which ways about the physical aspect, or is
This
it
is,
like where it is present based on that
yeah,
house it is
where it is
present?
present based on that. That means present means in your natal chart, not in transit chart.
Okay.
In your
If
natal chart.
okay.
Suppose in this case, Jupiter is in Virgo, right?
Yes.
In this chart, natal chart, Jupiter is in Virgo. So from Virgo, it will be counted.
Okay. So
There is another part of progression that I will talk just after this. But is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another type, yeah. Anything? Any question?
So here in this example, if we take, sir, Jupiter in Virgo, so first 1 year it will be dealing with Virgo related matters.
Matters.
That way, in the next year, the Libra related matters like relationship and all.
Yeah. I'm coming into the relationship matter also, how it will be counted. But just step by step, just learn it step by step, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because the matter is little bit, it can be little bit complex because you are learning it for the first time. That is the reason I'm taking you through step by step process. Not haphazardly, not all of a sudden, I will not be giving you everything. Okay. So this, until now, this is clear to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now there is another, just note it down somewhere, otherwise you will forget it. Another process is, another thing is, suppose here moon is in 1 degree. Okay. Let me delete this sign. Saturn is in 2 degree and Jupiter is in 3 degree. So at the time of Jupiter Saturn's progression, that means when the childbirth is happening, from that time till 2.5 years, first Saturn will meet Jupiter in the same sign. Saturn will meet Jupiter. Saturn has already crossed Moon. That means everything, every inch of these rules have some applications that I will come later. But now just learn the rule. Okay, first learn the rule. I will tell you how to apply this. That means what happens when Saturn meets Jupiter, Jupiter meets Moon, how to analyze it. First, Saturn meets Jupiter. Why? Because Saturn is 1 degree behind of Jupiter. Got my point? The same rule will be applied in every case. When Jupiter will start moving forward, it will first meet whom? It will first meet when Jupiter will start moving forward. When it will first
Ketu,
meet
sir.
whom? Ketu.
Moon.
No, it has already crossed Moon. Moon is in 1 degree. Moon is behind of these two planets.
Yes, yes.
Right? Moon will meet when Moon, there will be a Moon movement. Actually, we take Jupiter, Saturn, and Rahu's movement very seriously in case of Nadi. But all other planets have their own movement also. But in case of Moon also, Jupiter, Moon will, when Moon will move, then it will first meet Saturn, then meet Jupiter. But we take Saturn, Jupiter, and Rahu's, movement seriously. But you can take other planets' movement also. In this case, let's make it easier to understand. That is the reason I'm giving you this example. That first, when in Saturn's movement or Jupiter's movement, first Saturn's movement, Saturn will meet Jupiter because it is in the next degree. And after that, suppose for example, Mars is not here. Mars is not here. Mars is here. Okay. And Mars here is 5 degree, is in 5 degree, and it is in 10 degree. So tell me, if Jupiter, when Jupiter will start progressing, first Jupiter will meet which planet?
Mars.
Mars. Now as of now, whatever you have understood on the basis of that, now let's come to the result or application. What do we get after these rules, after following these rules? I already told you that every planet has its own signification, right? For example, here Venus and Sun are together, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So Venus represents wife in case of a male planet. Venus represents many things, but I'm taking one example only. Venus represents wife in case of male planet, right? So if this is a male chart, when the person will ask what type of wife I will get, so the wife will come from, as it is in Aries sign, and Sun is, if for example Sun is in 2 degree, so Sun is exalted here. So Venus means wife is with Sun. That means the Venus wife will come from a reputed family. See how easy it is. And even I will be discussing with live chart also. I will be taking all of your chart also, and I will be showing that how it is matching with your own life. It is that easy. Venus is wife, and it is with Sun. It is as Sun. Sun is exalted and strong. Here we will also take that combustion formula, but for example, it is not combusted here because there is a certain degree within that point. If Venus is there, any planet is there, then only it will become combusted. If it is beyond that degree, then it will not be counted as combusted. So for example, to make you understand more easily, I am taking that Venus is not combusted here. So Venus is with strongest Sun in the chart. That means the Venus will come from that means wife will come from a reputed family. And behind that, Mercury is also there. Venus has already crossed Mercury. Because I told you already that in transit, where planets are also moving forward all the time, right? Venus is forward. Venus is not retrograde. So Venus has already crossed Mercury. And I had told you that 212 aspects always modify each other's result. So in this case, as Venus, Mercury represents education. Venus has already crossed Mercury, so the wife will be, or when the wife will come to the male, that means when she will get married, already she is very much educated. What type of education is it from? She, or will she be from engineering background or MB or something? That combination we will learn later. But just try to learn the basic concept of prediction. Are you getting my point or not? Just tell me.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
This is very easy to predict. Just you need to keep some basic rules in mind, like Ketu always, when I will discuss about the enmity and friendship of planets as per Nari astrology, I will talk that Ketu always create a barrier. In materialistic case, in case of materialistic happiness, Ketu creates barrier. In case of spirituality, it does not create barrier at all. It will give you progression. It will give you benefit. Okay. But in case of materialistic happiness, Ketu will create some kind of barrier. It acts as a wall, solid straight wall. Okay. So as long as Jupiter is not, that means your 1, 2, 3. I told you Jupiter's first round is related to child's health, right? First means the first house. First house relates to, I will be talking about houses also. But now, for now, just know, I think all of you know about this basic thing. Do you know that first house relates to our health?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you, right? No doubt.
Lagna, personality.
Yeah, personality, health, right?
Yeah.
Physical health, physical body. So the first round of Jupiter will related to your first house. That means related to your health. First 12 years. Jupiter's progression I'm talking about, not any other planet's progression. So Jupiter, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. As long as 5 years is not crossing, that means as long as Jupiter is not crossing the barrier of Ketu, the child will remain sick simultaneously. Continuously, the child will remain sick. What kind of sickness it would be? I told you that also I will teach you that how to define that what type of sickness it would be. But now the basic prediction I'm teaching you. Okay. So
Yes, sir,
Jupiter,
this is 100%
why I'm
right.
teaching you right now or this thing, so that you can understand the importance of progression, importance of natal progression. That about transit progression I already discussed in the previous class. But in case of natal progression, what is the use of it? To make you understand, I am just teaching you some kind of basic predictions. Okay. So
Sir?
Jupiter, yeah. Any
Sir, why
question?
are you saying that till 5 years, but Ketu here is in like 10th house? Sorry.
No,
See,
5 houses.
Ketu where it is from Jupiter. Ketu in which house? Count it: 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th.
Okay, that way we are calculating. Okay.
Right.
So okay, it will take 5 years to reach Ketu, so that way.
After 5, and at the age of 5, if you find any chart, you can calculate it, you can apply it in your chart also. You can open your chart right now and you can calculate this progression as far as you can. It will be
Sir,
very
it could be
beneficial for
seen
you.
only from Lagna
It
or
is
Jupiter.
just forget about Lagna for a time being, because in Nari astrology we do not use that much Lagna.
So
When
we
you
have
will
to
use
consider
Lagna,
Jupiter.
yeah,
Jupiter.
is the Lagna for male nativity. I had told you
Yes, sir.
in
Yes, sir.
previous classes also, and
Venus for
for
female.
Venus female nativity. If it is a female chart, then you should take from here.
Sir, what if Venus is conjunct Ketu in the natal chart?
that conjunction I will talk later, but try to understand. These are the examples I'm giving just to make you understand the progression method, natal progression. Because transit progression I already discussed in the last class, right? So to make you understand the natal progression, I am giving you these examples. That what are the combination like
Can I
Venus?
say you one?
Use your intelligence. When Venus, if it is a male chart, Venus is wife and it is with Ketu. What it could be? Just use your intelligence little bit. If you know the signification of Ketu and
Yes, sir.
Venus.
As you said, for spirituality, it is good. For this thing, it is a material thing. It is a barrier.
Sir,
First of all,
I want to
the
say
female
something.
native will remain sick, maximum times in life. Some people you will find they remain sick. That means, suppose today they have this kind of disease, tomorrow they will have some other kind of disease. Okay, but another thing, do not take it as fixed rule, because there could be some influence of Jupiter, there could be some influence of other benefic planets.
Okay.
So then the intensity of the result can go down.
Okay.
Intensity of bad result cannot be visible that much. So there are some other rules. I will be discussing the golden rules of Nari astrology module also. There is another module that is called golden rule of Nari astrology, and that today this is not the topic. Today, just to make you understand the progression method and what is the use of it, why we are taking transit progression and natal progression both and combining both of them together. Why? This is the reason, to pinpoint the time event. And just one example I have given you.